breaks off.
I'm not showing anything of the mouse.
Okay, good.
Where do we plug these into?
I'm going to show the inside of the makey now.
And we still need to hold it. I did something.
Well, that's what it's supposed to do.
Okay, show the inside now.
Got 3 minutes.
Hurry up, Alec.
No, we have 3 minutes. We can easily do it.
Alec, nope, we have to clean up and stuff.
Well, we're not using Play-Doh today.
Yeah, we have to put it away.
See, look.
Okay, cancel.
I'm almost done. I'm going to finish this quickly. See what you're doing right now. Move your hand quickly.